Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Gaggia Classic Pro Espresso machine. It comes to us with a clogged group head. So when I test the machine, I found it it needs a cleaning from here and tune up, and it needs to be unclogged. Then when I test the steamer, I found leaking steam from the top, from the steam valve gasket. It needs to be replaced, so I just replaced it and give it a 2 cleaning cycles and multiple back flushing, then descale it over and over because there was like a lot of bad stuff in the boiler. So let's go ahead and test it and make espresso shot. Let me start test the steamer first. Turn it off. This is great even after I just turned it off. Okay. Let's test there is now some steam in the boiler. In the time I wanna test also making a shot on it. It is a little bit slower because I'm using finer grind. It's not calibrated with the Gaggia. All my grinder is calibrated with a bigger machine. And this Gaggia also has on this portafilter, it has the pressurized gasket, so it's gonna be slower, but I'm gonna show it also even without the portafilter. This is good enough. There's the shot from there. Let me try it without. I need something clear. There you go. Here is it, and here is if you wanna get a hot water too. So the machine functioning perfect. Thank you for watching.